So hello everyone, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of recently launched watch from Boult, which is Boult Rover, which cost around somewhere 3 to 4,000 rupees. I got this for 3,000 rupees on Flipkart sale. So now I will quickly open up the box. So as you can see, one of the cool thing about the watch is it comes with 2 extra belts, as you can see. So I will now take out the dial. So as you can see, this is the dial, and it has 600 nits of brightness. It's an AMOLED display with 1.3-inch screen. It has some edges, but the UI is designed in such a way that it blends with it, so you don't feel like it has the edges. And this is the full brightness of it. So as you can see, right now I am in sunlight, and if I show you the brightness, so it's enough or sufficient to like in sunlight also. If I open up the menu, as you can see, it has 3-4 menu style which you can set. I like this one, ring one, so I kept it. And now I will quickly show you the hand look of the watch. So as you can see, this is how it looks in hand. So as I already showed you the panel, so it has all the feature which is required in a smartwatch, and you can buy it. It's a good deal at 3,000 or even at 4,000. It like gives you the premium feel, and also has 2 extra belts comes with it. So I will surely recommend you to buy this.